Hi, I'm just going to tell you about my wallflowers that were flowered beautifully this spring, and I actually left them in the ground. I didn't need this bit of the garden for summer bedding or anything like that, so I just left them there. And they're actually quite big plants, and because wallflowers are actually short-lived perennials, they will flower again next year. So at this time in October, what I do is just go through them and just have a look at what they're looking like. So for instance, something like this is very straggly. It hasn't got any shoots lower down there. I would pull something like that just straight out of the ground and chuck it away. Whereas a shoot like this on this plant back here has got lots and lots of green shoots further down. So I would just take it off, just cut it like that, chuck that away, and that will flower beautifully next spring in amongst any new wallflowers that I buy.